So here's a question for you. In our super fast digital world, how do you actually prove something is trustworthy, like right this second? Well, that's what we're diving into today with a tool called DenScope. And its whole deal? Delivering that proof in just a few seconds.
You know that feeling, right? It's that slow, kind of clunky process when you're trying to check if something online is legit. You're just stuck there, waiting, and honestly, wondering if what you're looking at is even real.
Okay, so the whole promise of this project is to just blow that old experience out of the water. The big goal here? Go from finding something to trusting it to sharing the proof, all in under 5 seconds. I mean, that's a pretty bold claim, right? So let's see if they can back it up.
So what even is DenScope when you get right down to it? Well, think of it like a super efficient packaging system. It's not creating trust out of thin air. Instead, it goes out, finds trust data that already exists, wraps it up neatly into a verifiable certificate, and then makes it ridiculously easy to share with anyone.
All right, talk is cheap, right? The best way to really get this is to just see it happen. So let's jump right into a live walkthrough. We're going to go from the data feed all the way to a shareable proof, step by step. Okay, so here we are, starting at the DenScope live feed, and this one's running on Celo. What you're looking at is basically a live stream of agents and their data, all getting indexed in real time. It's super clean, super simple, and just gives you a straight-up view of everything that's going on.
Now watch closely. I'm just going to go ahead and pick one of these rows. Let's go with, Agent 135 right here. And that's it. Just one click and we're on to the next step.
And boom, just like that. See how the certificate preview on the right just popped up? It's instant. There's no loading spinner, no waiting around. The info is just pulled and presented right away in this really clean card-style format.
You know, the real magic here is how efficient this is. Check out this little data line right here. You've got the owner, the feedback score, and the exact UTC snapshot time. It's all the crucial stuff you need to see, packed into one tiny space, all at a glance. And this right here is the main event. We've found our agent, we've seen the data, and now we need to actually share this proof. Your eye just goes right to it, doesn't it? This big, impossible-to-miss button, Share Certificate. This is really the whole point of the entire flow.
And there you have it. One click and that shareable proof is good to go. It's either copied to your clipboard or ready in a share window. That's it. That's the 5-second promise delivered. From the live feed to the proof to the share. Done.
Okay, so we've seen how crazy fast it is. But let's be real, what makes this certificate anything more than just a nice-looking image? What actually makes it trustworthy? Well, it all comes down to what's called its on-chain anchor.
This crazy long string of letters and numbers, this is the proof. It's a transaction hash on the blockchain. And what that means is it's a permanent, unchangeable anchor for all the data in that certificate. It's the secure, cryptographic link between the simple screen you see and all the heavy-duty security working in the background. So why is this such a big deal on a platform like Celo? Well, a few reasons. First off, you've got that on-chain proof we just talked about, a totally permanent and verifiable record. Next, the whole thing is designed from the ground up for sharing on your phone, which is a huge part of the Celo mission. And finally, it creates this layer of trust for payments, which is absolutely critical for anyone using stablecoins on the network.
Look, the absolute best way to really feel the speed and simplicity of this is to just try it yourself. Seriously, seeing is believing, and this is one of those tools that's really meant to be experienced firsthand.
So here you go. Here are the links you need. You can try out the exact demo we just went through over at denscope.versal.app. And for all you developers out there who want to peek under the hood, the whole project is open source on GitHub. So go for it. Give it a shot and see if you can do it. Generate and share a proof of trust in under 5 seconds.